Hello guys, welcome back to Sports Angle. My name is Shantanu Vyas and I'm here to get you exclusive news about the world of sport. And today's news is that Jadon Malik Sancho is finally a Manchester United player. Yes, after 16 months of hard negotiations between Manchester United and Borussia Dortmund, he is finally a Manchester United player. As a Manchester United fan, you can just see by the joy on my face how delighted I am. For the past 1 year, we've been hearing that the talks are going on, postal terms are agreed, a lot of things which have been a roller coaster ride. Now, what in this video I'll be talking about is how Jadon Sancho is as a player, why Manchester United would go after him, and how we can see his development in the years to come. So yeah, let's jump into that next segment. Now, Jadon Sancho, yes, you would have heard his name a lot, during the last 4 to 5 years. He is very famous from the Manchester City Academy. He was also part of the England under 17 team, which won the World Cup, which was hosted here in India. And the most important thing is that about him is that he played for Manchester City under Pep Guardiola for like a brief period of time as an academy player. He wanted first team action, which he was not guaranteed at, and he took the bold move, which not many young English players take, is to go to the Bundesliga, to go to Germany and start his career under Borussia Dortmund, a very big name. So he gets Champions League experience. He gets a very good experience of a top five league, and at a very good club, which has had good history in developing youngsters into great talents. So it's not only he saw that as an opportunity. He also saw a way of him fast tracking his abilities, his maturity, and how it was in the Bundesliga. So yeah, Jadon Sancho is a very flair 1v1 type of a player who does extreme bits of goals and assists when he is in the advanced areas of the pitch. Now, the mentality of the player is to always go ahead. He's a positive attacking player. He's got pace, and the most important part is not only has he got pace, but he's got good skills and very good understanding of the game. He understands the game very well in attacking pockets. He can open up defenses which sit back real deep, and it becomes really difficult to penetrate those defenses. This is why Gareth Southgate started him in that game against Ukraine, because he's exceptional in those 1v1 situations. Now, many kids are there in that age bracket who are good talents, but not many who have the 1v1 talent like Jadon Malik Sancho. And now Sancho is also known to get that little bit of skill, which you need that bit of spark in the game sometimes. Because if we talk about Manchester United's final against Villarreal, we had attackers who would either score goals, and they had a very vertical movement up the pitch where you can predict their movements. But with Sancho, with the flair on his ball, and how his balance is, and how he can swerve defenses and make stuff happen where not many other players are going along, he can do that. So he has goals, assists, skills, not only goals and assists, but he has a spark in him which can turn the game on its head. Now that's why Jadon Sancho is what he is as a player. Now, why do Manchester United need him? Manchester United need this player is because, while Manchester United's philosophy of playing football is built on wide players. You start from the days of George Best, and to the Ronaldos, to the Beckhams. These are all wide players who became icons at the club. And players who play on the wing, they try to cut it. They have that assisting factor, that goal scoring factor, that flair to the game. That's what Manchester United is known for. Now, Jadon Sancho can obviously get that segment into this particular Manchester United side. Rashford is an in and out striker who can score. Martial has that also that finesse in him. Cavani is a perfect fox in the box. Greenwood is another up and coming again a cut in striker, but more from the right hand side. And now they have Sancho, which adds another dimension into their attack. It gives them more of a threat when they are going against teams who literally sit back for the 90 minutes. And it becomes really difficult to break them down. How Sancho develops and adapts to the Premier League, because even Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, he said that in the interview that the Premier League is a different animal. It's a step up. No disrespect to Bundesliga. Obviously, the Bundesliga is also technically and physically very challenging, but the Premier League is just a different animal. So how he adapts and how he elevates his game, that's going to be a very, very big challenge to see, and that is down to the management, how Manchester United treats it. So I do believe Ole and Mike Phelan will have mapped out certain steps for Jadon Sancho's improvement and development. Now this development goes into the fact that how Jadon Sancho will be in the future. Now, obviously, as a future, we see him as a more number 7 kind of a player who will be there in these advanced pockets. In this season, we will see him, be more either on the left wing or the right wing. I also believe that he's gonna be having a very good link up with Bruno Fernandes, because there are some times where Bruno Fernandes can go quiet in the game, and he'd need a player in an advanced position to make stuff happen. So he assists Bruno Fernandes going ahead. At the same time, Manchester United's transfer plans need to be getting a midfielder, who also assists Bruno Fernandes from the back. So from getting the ball from the defense to him. So, there is like a literal, like a lateral movement from both the sides. So that allows Bruno Fernandes to, explode his game all over the pitch. Now that's a key player right there when you speak about going into advanced positions and making stuff happen, linking up with strikers, understanding the game. Jadon Sancho is also known to be having very good understanding with Marcus Rashford, and that only guarantees us one thing: is good attacking football and goals and a lot of goals. Personally, I'm very delighted that Jadon Sancho is going to be wearing a Manchester United t-shirt. I cannot stop saying that, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm so excited that he's part of this setup, and I cannot wait till August 14th, where at 5:30 Indian local time he's going to be kicking off that ball at Old Trafford against Leeds. I can't just wait for that to happen, because it's been 16 months of hard, long negotiations. Where you have said that he might come, he might not come, and this season also because of the Euros, lots been going on. So yeah, that's about Jadon Sancho. But I'd like to know in the comments below who your steal of this particular transfer window has been. I'd like to talk about certain key players and how they're going to impact their team and how their further development is going to be. But till now, yes, I'm just going to be happy and celebrating Sancho's arrival as a Manchester United player. Really excited to see him, and just a small message for Jadon Sancho. Hope he watches this. Nonetheless, Sancho, whatever happens, the real fans will always stick by you, and we want you to do your best. That's it. And we know you're going to get us home. We know you're going to get us the trophies, and we love you. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and do drop a comment to let me know how this video was. Cheers.